Hello guys, it's Doc TV. So nandito tayo ngayon sa Capitol Arena. Kasama natin ang coaching staff ng Team Itiague. Manunod tayo ng PBA. Yes, let's go! Nandito na tayo sa loob ng Capitol Arena. So medyo courtside ang pwesto natin. Yan. Okay, so PBA Rain or Shine versus Meralco Boys. Okay guys.
Between the Rain or Shine Alaska Players and the Meralco Boys. Let us now meet the players. First, for the Rain or Shine Alaska Players. Number 0, Caleb Johnson. Number 1, Adrian Noble. Number 2, Felix Paquilina Nembeti. Number 3, Gian Mamuya. Number 4, Mike Malonzo. Number 5, Dave Norwood. Number 8, Anton Asisto. Number 10, Sean Alfonso. Number 11, Stanley Pringle. Number 14, Andre Caraco. Number 21, Keith Daku. Number 22, Sean Merito. Number 24, Luis Villegas. Number 25, Lawrence Atilla. Number 28, Paul Baga. And number 41, Lewis Porter. And their opponents, please welcome the Meralco Boys. Number 1, Aaron Black. Number 6, Chris Marquero. Number 7, Flip Hodge. Number 8, Kurt Reza. Number 11, Luis Nessa. Number 17, Ancho Cara. Number 19, Mo Quito. Number 20, Raymond Almazan. Number 22, Alain Malinsi. Number 24, Raymond Jose. Number 32, Al Pascual. Number 33, Brandon Bates. And number 71, CJ Gansino.
bigitan to yung mangyata sinton.
What's up?
Cellphone mo sa
Sa ating lahat po, isang magandang sumusulong na gabi to each and every one of us in a blessed and exciting evening, Ilagueños. On behalf of our hardworking and visionary City Mayor Honorable Dr. Jose Marie L. Diaz, together with the City Council Honorable Villanueva, Honorable Manaligod, Ilagan Strike. Kasama din po natin ang lahat ng mga manlalaro ng Meralco Bolts and ang we celebrate that love right here. Ngayon po, dito sa edifice natin, the Capital Arena, has been the venue of so many sporting events, iba't iba, from boxing, volleyball, at ibang mga local amateur basketball games. But the excitement of witnessing a PBA game here in the Capital Arena,
Point guard from the Marquesa, number 14, Andre Carapul. Shooting guard from Ponta Manila, number 1, Adrian Loco. Small forward from Lapu-Lapu City, number 25, Ganan Santillan. Power forward from Cebu, number 0, Kayla Johnson. And then center from Cebu City, number 41, Chris Porter. Coaching the National Painters is Yang Yao. Let us now meet the starters for the Meralco Bulls. Point guard from Iloilo City, number 17, Anjo Cala. Small forward from Valenzuela City, number 71, CJ Cancino. Power forward from Cavite City, number 7, Cliff Hodge. Center from Orani Bataan, number 20, Raymond Almazan. And shooting guard from San Mateo, Isabela, number 6, Chris Barranquero. Coaching the Bulls is Luigi Grillo. And before we begin this game, we'd like to call on once again at center court the City Vice Mayor of Ilagan. Anjo Karangui. Jonoy Clerigo. Gian Magoya. Timeout, Merrill Kumos.
Keep on falling for me.
Holding foul. Substitution. Mike Alonso. And Johnson Hui. All players must proceed to champagne in front of their respective benches. All team turns wise to observe proper pitch decoro. Cliff Hodge. Holding foul number 2, Felix Pangilinan Naneti. It's his third foul, 4. That's his third foul. 5 on the Ernesto Peters. Kickball. Foul number 28, Bo Belga. That's his third foul. 2 shots by Cliff Hodge.
Hello guys, so kasalukuyan yung game ng Rain or Shine and Meralco Bolts. So, nandito tayo ngayon sa Capital Arena. Yan, kasalukuyan naglalaro. Watch out.
Blocking foul
Yes,
on number 1,
blocking.
Adrian Loco. That is the first. Ladies and gentlemen, at the end of this ball game, the final score, it's 89 for the winner, Ernesto Peters, and 95 for the winner, the Meralco Bulls.
Oh, shoutout sa mga players ni Idol Caruro nandito sa Capital Arena. Sabihin niyo ang pangalan. Yes, shoutout sa inyo mga guys, Idol. Yes, mabuti niyo ah. Thank you, thank you. Yes, so dito sa Capital Arena, nagkita-kita rin tayo ng mga brads ko sa Alpha Phi Omega. Yes! Shoutout sa mga brad. Lalo-lalo kay Brad JR Diaz. Brad, thank you so much. Yes! Woo! Shoutout din, oy, mga play G. Walang ngiti. Yan. Okay, mga shoutout sa lahat ng mga apo, lalo sa Iota Delta Chapter. Yes. Thank you guys. Woo!